Should the unit, while working, have a major fault, there's a fuse on the side. So what would happen is the unit would completely power down and the screen would go blank and the LED would not flash. So we would disconnect both of these, and then on the side we have a fuse holder. So what we would need to do is use a screwdriver, press down. Now you have to press down quite firmly, and if you look, it's spring loaded. If you don't press down, you will not be able to open this. So we need to press it down, turn it anti-clockwise slightly, and if you look now, it will start to come out. So we'll take this out, and there is a glass fuse. Now, if this is blown, you won't be able to see a fine little wire in here. Okay. To replace it, what we're going to do is you put your new fuse in, place it in. And what you need to do is find where it springs up and down. So you might need to turn it a little bit and find the place. There we go. It's springing up and down. It's like a button. That's the place where we're going to put the screwdriver back in. We're going to press it all the way in, turn it, quarter of a turn, release. And now, when we plug it in, so we'll plug the coil back in. Remember, we plug this in first before we power up at the outlet. Then we plug that back in, and now we're working again.